Restoration Beyond the Maze 2023 is a political slogan of Idowu Ayeni, a candidate of the Edo State House of Assembly under the People's Democratic Party of Onwa East local government area of Edo State. On the 21st of January, Honorable Ayeni had a gathering of Onwa sons and daughters, mothers and fathers in Ward 2 to officially inaugurate campaign canvassers of the 10 villages that comprises Ward 2 in Onwa East local government area, in a bid to drive the message of his campaign to the grassroots.
Council. I can only P.D.P. shake. So I can check retire. So me go liquid. I remember Abu Diabana. So those level go my. All the women say we anyway me na all look by that. Mainly gathering for we me love Musena. Ebu better gathering bunu. That's Italy gathering bunu. Why we power of ya? Era loro you. Eba lo you. Ari wana na kiki emirese. Ege lake ege akeshwa na re lo sevi. Ari we battlefield yo lega. What's my visa my? I mentioned several honorable Eku, ever fully like nothing to write home about. No way only Casa.
Bazoka gone. Il a taken the time to say Obada oye, Ojam oye, Wahumi oye, Ete oye, Olomu oye, Eyamelambo oye, Omumu oye, Ojam ite komi, Okomi oye, Opa oye. What two oye? Because you miss what was being madana. Lareti, I win 10 campaign council. Nime across the local government. Iroi is Ward 2. Iloche Atibai. Because it was a well away. On the reti okay, Aloche white canvassers area per village per unit, so that see there be around over way now. Alom TG have a party or anywhere where Emai Ward-02 any dananare. On them must go dananare. Ebi aweme hametishan you. Bapa me shalo there go. Ni ujama majiana. Iloteta Opa, because on not very more to Igbo Taiwo to a level to. And Italy hold it now. You hold it the whole world to home. Because Ward 2 is a very but my boss Ayeni. O me so even Nigeria law will be any win. Iya holding on house of your melody. Yana very very good. Not by the banana. Oh, young, when I was 7 war. All of my one, all of my ones over. And he both I will tour. Ebo Kakari, he long win.
Yes, sir.
Also twice that on the time. Well, understand? I get a time tour. It have a boy out to I win it. You got to put down on area of me.
Some of the newly inaugurated campaign canvassers had this to say.
And also the chairman Ward 2. Really, Honorable Ayeni is my man. He's a grassroots shooter. Anytime we have an election, it's always with us. It's not a new person to us. And this is why you see him, anytime he blow a whistle, see the gathering is full because they trust him. It's not somebody that is troublesome, very respectful. And that is why when he now vie for the House of Assembly, it's State House of Assembly. Yes, you deserve it. And after the primary, we won the primary. And today, we are ready to vote for you when the election comes. We are just even anxious for the day to come that people will see the number of votes is going to be seen. Why? This is the first time a youth is coming. We want the youth because we'll be voting for the elderly people. They never do anything. And we believe as a youth we are going to do something.
Me make woman leaders about to soil. All has the leader the work but the leader campaign and leader make a lot of the House of Assembly. Who but the leader pay over boy joy marry me think I lo dey oh you marry. That is why mama the marriage am but the leader me think oh we me obebo ma me boy ya we me. That is why mama the marriage down but the leader marry campaign and Lord when say House of Assembly.
Thank you.
Ogute I am from Afuze. I am here in support of Honorable Idowu Ayeni, who is going for Edo State House of Assembly. He's a person I know very, very well. Apart from being very close to the youth, he's a person that respects all. I see him to be very, very pragmatic. He is the one that can hold our flag high when he gets to that very place. We have had so many people in the House of Assembly that pursue their interests. But this one is going to be an exception. He's a grassroots mobilizer, so we are supporting him massively. Thank you.
Thank you.
So today, we are here in respect of Honorable Idowu Ayeni. Idowu Ayeni is a man that I have known for a long time, not because of politics. We didn't meet through politics. Idowu has been a philanthropist man. He's a grassroots politician. He has been a financial sponsor of this unit 8 and 9 from Ward 2. Although he has never had any elected position before, he's not a civil servant, but he has done a lot of things that even the politicians, the people who we have voted for a long period of time, that what he has done in Onwa, and in fact from Ward 2 last to Onwa entirely, that those people have not done. Talking about education, he has given some persons scholarship. Talking about water, he has sick boyhood in different communities in Onwa East. So this is a person that we have been praying for. And today, 2023, God has sent somebody with a divine to save us from the hands of our hoodlums who call themselves.
My name is Honorable Idowu Ayeni. I'm the candidate for Idowu State House of Assembly, P.D.P, under the umbrella platform. What is happening today is constituting and setting up of my canvassers across my ward, because I'm from Ward 2. So charity begins at home, right? So you start from your home. People say, doing. So today, I'm constituting people across the world, 33 people, 33 party unit mobilizers,
okay,
so that they can go across from door to door and canvass people and make sure that we get a majority of the votes during the general elections.
Okay. I understand you have about 10 wards in Onwa East, right?
11 wards.
11 wards. Okay. Are you going to have the same platform for other wards or just this ward 2?
Yes, the exercise is just beginning from Ward 2, and it's going to go across other wards from Ward 3, Ward 4, Ward 5, Ward 6, Ward 7, down to Ward 11.
Okay. So what is the major goal? What is the main thing you want these converters to do for you now?
Well, what I want them to do is that only me cannot do it all. So they are going to be an extension of me, like where I can't, where I will not be available, they will be available for me. Okay. They are like my foot soldiers, because I'm a grassroots politician. So that's the best way to reach each and every one in my world. So, as you can see, the people are strongly behind me, and you know, like I always say, I don't have any younger brother or other brother that is in Nigeria that you know, I'm going to give job to when I win. So this is a selfless service to the people. And so I just want to, you know, Ward 2 is where I come from, and Ward 2 have my back, and today is the day for Ward 2, and we are going to spread this and continue this exercise across other wards. So expect